let's get in our experts for today. We have Brijesh Singh of Opulent Investment Advisors and Jatin Gedia, he's from Sher Khan by PNB Paribas, who's joining us on the show right now. Good morning to both of you. Thank you so much for joining in. Brijesh, starting off with you, how are you trading the index? There certainly is a lot of weakness now starting to seep in, but do you think that there could be a potential arrest in the near-term fall that we've seen, or do you think that there's more weakness to come?
Good morning, Agam. Agam, if I talk about the Nifty, still, no doubt from today's low, Nifty has bounced, 25,094 is a low. I'm talking from a spot point of view. I'm not considering right now the future. So from a Nifty spot, we have seen a bounce back. So 25,000 is a psychological level, followed by 24,700, 24,800 mark. Which I feel that it is the support where we can see Nifty, bouncing back from that level. Considering the previous swing's lows, the previous swing low was 24,800. Prior to that, it was 23,893, and on the 4th of June, the swing low was 21,281. Taking this 3 point. And the 4th point would be the 52-week high, that is 26,277. And if we draw an individual Fibonacci retracement of that, we'll see that 24,700, 24,800, where the clusters of Fibo lies. So I feel that 24,700, 24,800 is the support level which should not be broken in this fall, followed by the psychological mark of 25,000. Regarding with the higher side of the resistance has been considered, the 25,400 to 25,500 is a level of the resistance. If we are surpassing this resistance, then the next level to watch would be 25,700. Regarding with the Bank Nifty is been considered, then I'll say that immediate support lies at the level of 51,200 and followed by 50,500, which is way down, more another 500 points down from that 51,200. Resistance lies at 52,300 followed by 52,500 from both indices right now. If we look out the hourly chart of both the indices, so Nifty is in process of making a doji, which generally used for the reversal point. So we can see a reversal towards the level of the resistance, that is 25,400 to 25,500 mark. Regarding the Bank Nifty has been considered on the hourly front, we are seeing some bullish candlesticks, engulfing candlesticks formation, so which is giving an indication of a pullback, and that pullback would be towards the level of 52,300. So both the indices right now, till now, from an hourly point of view, they are giving a sign of a pullback. Regarding with the oscillator front also, the panic low has been formed. Now it's in the process of coming up from that low, and we're just looking for the divergence sort of thing from our oscillator. That would be giving a more confirmation, and we can see a pullback in coming days.
Even though the decline in open interest is not significant, but let's talk about stocks which are on the radar of our experts. So, Brijesh, coming back to you on stocks that you like at the moment.
So, Agam, I have two stocks. One is on the buy side, another is on the sell side. So, I'll start from first with the sell side has been considered. So, Godrej Property is a stock where I would be saying that a stock on the hourly chart as well as on the daily time frame, we have seen a downside. So if I say on the daily time frame, the selling pressure has been continuing from a swing high of 3,421. With the lower highs formation on the indicator. If I talk about the hourly chart point of view, the previous swing lows has been broken, lower highs formation has been there. So that is giving an indication of more downsides. Present rate of of 3,000 around or 2,998 around it's been trading, one can take a sell call in it with this stop loss of 3,090 and play for the target of 2,800, and even if 2,800 breaks, the next level to watch would be 2,770. Time frame to hold this counter would be 2 to 3 trading session. One call which is looking on the buy side is the Metropolis future. The overall structure of the chart is been promising on the hourly time frame. The higher lows formation is being seen on the chart. So when I've taken out the call, that time it was trading at 2,284. Now it has been trading at 2,294. Already 10 rupees has been moved up. So and it dipped towards 2,290 can be used to take a long position in it with the stop loss of 2,240. Play for the target of 2,350. And if we are surpassing this level of 2,350, then the next level to watch would be 2,375. Time frame to hold this counter would be at least 2 to 3 trading sessions.
I want to talk about Dabur. I'll take this one up with Brijesh. We have Manish Maheshwari from Delhi who says that he holds the Dabur 660 call and he's paid a premium of 15. He wants to know what should be done here. Now, of course, Dabur has weakened significantly yesterday on account of its update with respect to its quarterly numbers. Now, he's paid a premium of 15 and this call has come off quite a bit. It's currently at 8. And now it's also, a bit away from the spot is a bit away from it going in the money. It's not, look, what's really in favor of the viewer at the moment is this time, because it's a relatively longer series. So you can't necessarily rule out Dabur going in the money, at the same time. But it's still a bit far away. So perhaps a question better answered by an expert in the field. Brijesh, this is for you. Your view on Dabur as well as your view on the 600 call at the moment.
So if I look at the Dabur chart on the future front, the swing lows were of 600. And from there we have seen that swing low was on 13th of August. From there we have seen a pullback. That pullback was towards the level of 672. That was a 52-week high. From there we have seen a pull down. So 600 should have not been broken. That is one part. As you have said, the time is been there right now. But it has been tough that the stock would be able to cross the 600 mark. So I would be only suggesting him that right now it is trading at 8 rupees. Just keep a stop loss of 7 or 6.5 and hold on, and any pullback should be used to exit. Since he has bought at 15, I feel that on the higher side front, somewhere around 12 or 11 rupees is a tough resistance, as well as from a chart point of view, from a future point of view. 600 looks tough to me, since if it able to give closing above 590, then only 600 would be coming. Then your call would be somewhere around at the moment. So right now the trend of the stock is weak. 6.5, keep that thing as a stop loss. If it breaks, then exit. On the higher side, 11 or 12 is the resistance. Then also I would be suggesting to exit your call. But the better part is that still he has a time.
Sure. All right. So there you have it. That's the view coming in on that specific call option as far as Dabur goes. But on that note, thanking both our experts for joining us and taking us through their views on the markets, giving us a handful of trading ideas, and of course solving a couple of our viewer queries as well. And with that, we